those people who are involved in poisoning these tigers should be booked, should be sent behind bars, should not get bail. Their case to be fast tracked and they should go straight in jail. A jail sentence which should go up to 20 years should go for them.
You said
Fully agree that the people who were in that area or the CCF, the Goa CCF, had to take preventive measures. His subordinates in Goa had to inform him about all these issues, which was not informed. That bull or a cow or a calf has been eaten. So if it goes for grazing in forest area, definitely a tiger will eat it. So this is what has happened. Out of anger, these people have poisoned. So proper investigation also needs to be done.
and forest guards also should be taken into task.
No, I would not say that, because forest guards never even thought that somebody are going to poison the tigers. The carcass which would remain, which was remaining over there, somebody would poison it. Because this is beyond thinking of a human being. This is like that person is an insane person. He doesn't know the value of a tiger. He doesn't know that tigers were 25,000 and have come down to 2,000. Now they have gone to 5,000 because of tiger conservation. These are the efforts of Ministry of Environment and Forest, Wildlife Protection Council, which is there. So now this area is not declared as a wildlife sanctuary. It is wildlife as a tiger reserve. So if it is declared, then there are a lot of restrictions for locals, the farms of the locals, the habitation of the locals. They will be displaced. But are we going to kill the tigers? Since the government has protected the local people by not declaring that as a tiger reserve, are we going to kill those tigers?